What's going on, guys? Three Wheels on the Block, and we're out here with something a little bit different today. Today, we're working on this. I found this Jeep on the side of the road. It had been sitting there for about a week, and I was like, well, it looks like this poor little guy has been discarded and left with no home. We threw a battery in it. Abby drove it about 3 feet. It does drive. So yeah, that's it. That is the abandoned Dora the Explorer Jeep that we found on the side of the road. Took a little bit of krylon spray paint, painted it pink and blue, as you can see. The girls are driving and loving it. So if you happen to see one of these that's discarded, it may be worth a shot stopping by, picking it up, throwing a battery in it to see if it works, because you might find yourself a free Power Wheels. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you could, smash that like button for me. Drop me a comment below. We'll see you next time. Drive back in the garage. Come on, you can do it.